Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training these guys the plumbing trade. Good morning!
Good morning.
Anyway, we're on location in the new whip, headed south, and I had to start now because I'm driving along and it's just so quiet in here. With the new system, we are headed to a restaurant, some service work. We have a toilet repair, I believe, at the restaurant. We'll get the shots when we get there. Any questions? What we have is a loose toilet, I believe. He's getting a lot of water. Whoa. I forgot my glasses today. Ah, there it is. We have a handle kit needed, but it seems to be more water than that. More than a drip.
Please.
Yeah. We could have a floor leak here. Oh. Yeah, hopefully it's nothing serious. We get a lot of water here too. What's that?
I didn't see it.
That's why you gotta stand back and look at what's going on. Oh, look at all that water there. Alright, so we're gonna need a spud. Okay, that's that. Let's double check over here. We got some old time plumbing here. What's this? Glacier Bay toilet. What I'm thinking about doing, just throwing in a new flushometer, because that's ancient and not even playing with it. We'll go with the most obvious first. Let me see that folded up towel.
A blankie?
Blankie, yeah, because what I'm doing with you, see what I do here. Heavy pair of pliers, pair of rubber glovies. You see how old this is, right?
Yeah.
That's why I'm not even going to play with this. I'll try to tighten it. It's so old that they would have chrome off of the brass. Let me see this. That's a lot of water. Okay, we're going to opt for the new flushometer, Angelo. Okay, because we have the spud down here leaking like crazy. We're not even going to play with it. Let me see the screwdriver. Let's see what we can do here. We'll take this apart. Yeah. Plus, I don't have my glasses, man. That's a big problem, too. Maybe I can get lucky and there's usually a flat washer in here, which, as you know, we just changed trucks. I got no flushometer stuff on the truck. Let's see what this washer looks like here. Maybe I'll do is I'll put a little pipe tip on this choker. Get it to stop for now.
just a handle?
This is just a handle washer, but the spud's leaking too, so we're going to change the spud. And the flushometer part. It doesn't pay. Now, if I had known, I would have brought one down here.
Here.
Let me see your rag, buddy. I should have had him take a picture of the problem. I would have came prepared. That's totally my fault. With today's technology, I messed up. Because this has a kit inside here, and there's a good chance that the toilet's sealed so good that the wax is leaking under. Whoa! There it is, right there. Wow. I just found a leak, folks. Get that light, Angelo. It's a problem because it's flying out of the toilet. Okay. That's some water. Go in the kitchen and grab a, wow. That was insane, huh? There's a mop and a bucket right by the slop sink, Ange. Wow, okay. Whew! At least we found the problem while we were here, huh? That was crazy. You said it was a big problem. Guess what? That is a big problem. Don't get my sponge wet. So this is the problem. Too much water being flushed. So we're going to simmer this down a little bit.
How godly was that?
You put paper in to test the toilet properly, simulating toilet paper and doo-doo. Okay? Because we want enough water here to get to the public bathroom to flush. So it's high volume.
Is that how you adjust it right there?
Yeah, right here it turns off and on. I'm just turning it on just a little bit more. I'm going to turn this one down over here a little bit too. So that was the problem, folks. And then we'll address the leak. That's good. We'll leave the mop in here and just...
I get a few rags.
Yeah.
Rags.
Yeah. Tell you what, get that mop out of here. That thing stinks. Here you go. Take this with you. This one rag. I'm going to turn this one down just a little bit too. Again, these bathrooms, of course we have another summer season on us and we didn't address these bathrooms because we were elsewhere. Okay. Let me tighten this up here. Oh, all kinds of problems here, folks. It is a Gerber toilet. Why is it stripped? Oh no, there it goes. Somebody put the new toilet seat in but didn't tighten it up. Alright, boys. Alright, folks, here we go. this. You got to be kidding me, right? They're done.
Yes. Somewhat.
Did we? Yeah, exactly. We got to come back, but we found out the main culprit of the flooding situation. It was a super power flush toilet that was overflowing the rim. In the end, we'll be back there to put a flushometer in, but down here on a Friday at the shore is a no bueno. So we will get it done next week, and we will get the shots. Until then, what do we say? We'll see you at the next, what?
Happy Friday.
Where are you going? And why aren't you buckled up?
Because we were just pulled over on the parkway.
Yeah? Alright, buckle up. We'll see you at the next one, everybody.